What's up, YouTube? This is Mr. T. Once again, I'm at it, but this time I'm doing 5 ways to divide. All right, I'm gonna show you the same division problem 5 different ways. All right, so I'm gonna start off with standard division, or like Miss Patrick say, OG division. Right? So in 5th grade, most of the time you have 2-digit numbers. That's the divisor, and then you have a 4-digit dividend. So the total is 4-digit, and you divide it by a 2-digit. All right. So let's start off with, let's say, 2,472. All right. And let's say we're going to divide that by 12. OG division says, or standard division says, you have to divide this into every number, and you put the number above based on how many times you can get this number out of these numbers. So basically, every place value spot has an answer, right? In my class, I call them cycles. The cycle of division is divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. Once you get through a full cycle for this number, then you go back to divide, then multiply, subtract, bring down, and you keep repeating that cycle until you have an answer above each one of these numbers. All right? So, if I'm starting it off, 12 divides into 2 0 times. Now, some teachers just tell you skip over to 4, but I like to put an answer above each place value spot. So 12 divides into 2 0 times. That's divide. Now I'm going to multiply it back out. 0 times 12 is 0. Then I'm going to subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2. And I'm going to bring down the next number, which is 4. And repeat the cycle over again. 24 divided by 12 is 2. 2 times 12 is 24. 24 minus 24, subtraction, is 0. And I bring down the next number, which is 7. Now we'll repeat the cycle over 2 more times. 7 divided by 12 is 0, because I cannot get a group of 12 out of 7. 0 times 12 is 0. I'm going to subtract. 7 minus 0 is 7. And I'm going to bring down the 2, which is the last place value spot I have. So that means I have to repeat the cycle one more time. 72 divided by 12 is 6. 6 times 12 is 72. I subtract. I have 0 remaining, and I have nothing else to bring down. So my answer is 206. Again, this is standard division. This is OG division. This is the division me and Mr. Traham and most of your parents went to school on. All right?